Hey everyone, Fatty from Pack a Punch Traders here. Want to make a quick video lesson going over my trade earlier on HCDI. I had a couple on them, and I thought there was a good lesson on entries and exits with this play. So let's look at the daily. We got previous high day break set up over 255, multi-month breakout over 260. Next resistance not really till the 290s, 3-ish area, low threes here. So I took the first trade, got faked out, didn't work out nicely. But I was selling, I was buying. I put these lines here just so you could see where my thinking is, how I'm kind of thinking about entering these plays. So I was looking for that multi-month breakout level. Did kind of chase here as we did get a little base, and it took off from the 250s. Got a little fake out, but I was really selling when it looked like it was cracking these key levels and wasn't really holding with any volume. But this pressure here was on low volume, and then it came right back, and I got back in 263. Why is that? Now it's reclaiming VWAP. It's above these two levels, and we're consolidating. We just got a little dip, and it failed to break down and came right back. So I saw this as a higher low, holding VWAP, holding the breakout level, holding the general area of support or just key levels. So that's why I was entering at 263 in this junk here, simply because it looked like a higher low. Trend was there. We got higher lows from the bottom, from the beginning of the day up to this point, and that's what kept me in. I was aiming for 3. This definitely tested my patience. It was really choppy, but trend was intact the whole time. And once it got choppy, it continued to stay choppy. But once it got into the 290s, 3-ish area, that was right around my goals. I thought maybe we'd get a push past 3, see how it would work out. But I was sitting there looking at the play, thinking this isn't a spectacular play. It's choppy. It's having a hard time moving higher. It has overhead resistance. If we look at the daily chart, it doesn't really have that many significant days where it shows that it can really move. So I thought, into resistance at 3. It's being choppy still. I'm up nicely. Made up my loss from earlier on this, as well as my other loss, which was a foolish play. Should have never taken it. Never really let it set up. It was doing everything I thought it would do, but somehow still bought into it once there was a volume perk here. I saw it as a failure to break down. I thought it would be holding up, but it was doing everything I talked about, acting like I'm kind of getting on a tangent. Acting like CYN from yesterday, taking off, spiking right at the open, and having a hard time really taking off on the day, getting stuffed at resistance. And same thing for ALVR, which did that same thing the day before. Got the gap up, takes off right at the open. Open's not that far off the highs really, and takes off right into resistance in the mid 8s here. So it acted really similarly to those, and that's what my thinking was going into the day, seeing that play. But still, for some reason, just got emotional and sucked into that one volume candle. Ended up being a little loss. But, singles add up. I'm 1 for 3, and the play on HCDY really paid off. I sized up when I saw that this was really holding. The other trades were on 1,000 shares. This one was 1,500. Was looking to maybe add some more, but the choppiness was really scaring me out. But, back to what we're really talking about. I'm buying at key areas where it's showing that it's failing to break down and these areas are becoming support. And I'm selling into areas where there's indecision right near an area of resistance, as well as I'm up over 10%. I was up roughly 11%. So I just locked it in. Take your quick snipe. It's facing resistance. Who knows how much longer it could go. Ended up selling right near the highs within 2% of it. So can't complain about that. Yeah, I think that's a decent lesson on how I approach my entries and exits. Hope everyone had a great trading day so far. We still have an hour and a half till the week is over pretty much here. So definitely going to keep some things on radar. Check us out on tradecaster.com. Had a really good live stream earlier today answering a lot of questions and going over my trades live. They were live trades. And then follow us on Twitter at Pack-a-Punch Traders. As well as, if this was useful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Hope everyone has a great day.